Hi everyone, this is Marilyn and welcome back to the Artistry Corner. Today I'm going to be doing a collaboration, coasting through the week with Mary with Resin Me Up, and all the other creators will be in my description down below. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we are Steelers fans in this household. So I'm going to be making two coasters today because I made this beautiful tumbler. And of course my tumbler is going to need a coaster. So I'm making one for myself and one for my husband. I also printed some stickers, some decals that they're going to go on the coaster, inside the coaster. And I'm going to be using some luster black. I'm going to be using, that's mica powders, and I'm also going to be using gold yellow. I'm also going to put a few drops of the India ink black velvet waterproof. You only need 2 drops of this, and it's super black. So these are the coasters I'm going to be using to make them. So give me a moment. I'm going to go ahead and mix my resin, and I'll be right back. I should have put the mica powder first. It's a beautiful gold, or beautiful yellow gold. Put 1 drop of this black. Three drops. I think that's a lot. Oh yeah. Gotta leave enough space for the decal too. Perfect. And I think I'm going to do some swirls. Sorry about the ring light glare. Gotta work on that. Haven't had much practice. Put this, all right. Now I'm gonna put this inside of my 1V, my resin dryer. It should be done in about 45 minutes. So I'll be right back. Okay, so through the magic of editing, they're ready. They're hard enough for me to actually put the decals on. Let's see. The swirls kind of like went away in a way, but I actually like the pattern. So let's see how they're gonna come out. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I think I want them like this or like this. Yeah. Gotta stand up. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Come out. This is the Koala decal, Koala sticker paper, but they feel so thick like decals. Okay. Yeah, that's perfect. And I think I'm going to put a little bit of a sparkle. Just a tad bit. Just a tad bit of the Crushed Crystal Magical Mica Pigment Enhancer. Just a tad bit, because this could be pretty strong. Let's see. I already have my resin here ready. I mean, that should be good. That's it. Yeah, I can't overdo it. As nice as it is, I can't overdo it. Okay. Just put my glove on, just in case. little bit of heat, just a tad bit. There's no bubbles, but just in case. Okay. I'm going back to the warm V for another 45 minutes and it should be ready. Okay, time to demold. Let's see. Oh, they look so beautiful and sparkly. There's no bubbles. The back is really nice too. Turn them around so I can put some cork in the back of them. This is the review. Final outcome, and my tumbler fits perfect. Looks beautiful. So let me zoom in a little bit. I need to work on that glare. Had a lot of fun making it. Thank you so much, ladies, for allowing me to collaborate on this Coasting Through the Week collaboration. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and give it a thumbs up. Thank you and have a great day.